In today's fast-paced digital world, making money online has become a popular option for those looking to earn some extra cash or even replace their traditional jobs. However, with so many options and methods available, it can be overwhelming and confusing to know where to start. In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective hacks to make money online quickly and easily, so you can start earning money right away. 1. Sell products online. One of the most popular ways to make money online is by selling products. You can sell physical products or digital products such as ebooks or courses. Platforms such as Etsy, eBay, and Amazon make it easy to set up your own online store and start selling your products to a global audience. 2. Freelance your skills. If you have a skill such as writing, design, or programming, you can freelance your services online. Websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com allow you to create a profile and start bidding on jobs in your area of expertise. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's products. You earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Many companies offer affiliate programs, including Amazon, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. 4. Take online surveys. There are many websites that pay you to take online surveys. While this won't make you rich, it can be an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Some popular survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. 5. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a volatile and risky investment, but it can also be incredibly lucrative. If you're interested in investing in cryptocurrency, platforms such as Coinbase and Binance make it easy to buy and sell a variety of cryptocurrencies. Making money online can be a great way to earn some extra cash or even replace your traditional job. While there are many options and methods available, the hacks listed above are some of the most effective and popular ways to make money online quickly and easily. Whether you choose to sell products online, freelance your skills, or invest in cryptocurrency, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money online. With hard work and determination, you can start earning money online today.